The video's uploaded, so I hope you like it.
Oh, we'll have to watch it. I haven't even seen it.
We got other things.
Yeah, a lot to pack.
For me?
Yeah.
Yay! What is it?
I might have up this morning.
What did you do?
I was making my coffee with a
I
snapped it in half. I was
look, a
my
brand
God,
new one.
I can't get one from Amazon.
Oh, whisker?
Lifetime
Same day.
warranty.
If I can't get one same day, I'm like, she's gonna murder me.
I was wondering what was going on.
Wow, it's nice.
And you know who uses this every day?
You.
He does.
Of course it's nice.
Not even me.
Okay, we got to get this thing loaded. We're gonna wait till midnight to leave.
Yeah, we're gonna get to the track at what, 2 in the morning, and then do what? Sit at the gate?
We can get there and
It
relax.
take us night. So if you leave midnight,
No,
and you
'cause we
add
can't
on
check
19
into the
hours.
Airbnb.
Yes, that means we're not gonna get there till like
Hold
6 p.m.
Hold on.
This is the start of the next vlog, just so you
Hold
know.
on. The track doesn't open until a certain time. We can't get to the Airbnb till a certain time. So we need to be at the track by 2, 3 p.m. Drop trailer.
Yeah, but if we leave at
won't
midnight,
be
we're not
there
gonna get there
until
until like.
7 p.m. on Friday.
No, that's not true. I don't know how to touch you how to do math. But that's how to walk.
I mean, how I'm mathing makes sense.
Right,
We're not gonna
right,
get there till like
mathing.
6.
I figure we just get on the road at 10 o'clock at night.
Okay, that's good.
That means we get there at like 5 or 6 again, and he'll still be off.
Okay, well, we'll see you guys.
It's not 5 or 6.
You leave at midnight.
If you leave at 10, we'll be there at 10 a.m. the next morning. It's 17 hours. That's 12. So 5 more. That's 2:30, 3 o'clock.
Nope.
Exactly the same time that I told Randall we would show up on time at 2:30, 3 o'clock.
And then you gotta deduct,
6 p.m.
Then you deduct the time difference, right? They're 2 hours ahead, right? 7, 8 p.m.
That accounts for you.
Oh, no, does it go back or?
forward. Isn't that
Oh, so we're not gonna get there till 8 p.m.
No, we lose.
No, we lose.
We go on.
So we're not gonna get there till 8 p.m.
What do you want from me?
Daniel.
I think this is gonna be a one-sided event. I got a house full of girls, dude, so. Okay, we're filming this vlog on the phone. Oh my God. I think so. Wow, you've done that before.
That's how it's done, baby. Now watch him get out the car.
Don't film this shit.
Oh, wow.
That's the good birth to himself.
Oh, really stuck.
Yay!
Very graceful. I give it an 8 out of 10.
You like it, we'll order more in the future.
Yeah.
Flag canopy.
Perfect.
Street Rivals. Oh, look at
That's
that.
right.
Sponsoring, bro. Sponsoring people nowadays.
Let's get it. All right. Hello. Okay, it is 9. What is it? 9:30 right now,
9:10.
and we're gonna be there. When does it say?
3:19.
3:19 tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon.
Yeah, if it was tomorrow morning, that'd be great. We'll be here in no time.
Time travel.
Well, that'd be great.
Okay, stop 1.
No. Yeah. Fill her up.
All right. Just want to see the biggest QR code known to man? Ta-da! Go stand by it.
I was literally about to say, it's not not that big.
You can be a mile back. Pause your TV and scan this. Subscribe. Here we go.
Bad shit.
Oh no. It's like ice. No. I'm just playing. You guys diapers right there too. Look.
It's like 5:30 in the morning. I think we're in Albuquerque out of Love's.
What?
Hour number 37, it feels like.
Oh, shut up.
You angels.
Now you can really see how long the wings are.
Yeah.
Compared to the stairs on the bottom.
I was saying, look at the really tiny stairs.
Cadillac Ranch. Wow. So amazing.
Look at hair flying away.
Xander, we made it.
Do you think there's bears right here? You think there's bears right here?
Bears?
Yeah. I don't know. I'm actually asking. Is there bears out here in Texas? Why do you say no though? What does it mean?
You want me to find you a bear? I'm confused.
I would say no.
I'm saying.
I'm saying
I'm gonna
elk.
Google this because I
I'm
see
saying
some shit
elk
right now.
and deer and
Wait,
venison.
you just seen a bear?
I want to say I saw a bear, unless I'm tripping right now.
We've been driving for 17 hours.
You think you saw a bear?
Actually,
So I'm asking if there's bears out
I think it's longer
Probably.
than 17.
But the likelihood of you seeing a wild bear right now
On the
off
side of the
highway.
freeway.
No, it wasn't on the side of the freeway. It was the fucking land over there.
I'm just trying to understand where you saw this bear at, like.
There is.
I would say no.
Those bear shit.
Texas bears?
There's bears in Texas.
Right,
Stuff like that.
Fort Dallas, Texas is big.
There
Oh,
are
it's the
bears in
cops.
Big Bend area in the Transmeco Western Hill Country and deep northeast, Texas.
Okay, and where are we?
Dallas.
Yeah, so is that where the bears are? What do you think?
I mean, he could have seen it.
I think if Jeffrey said he saw a very tall bear.
Hey, we believe you, buddy.
Thanks, man.
That's right.
Hey, thanks, man.
Texas Motor Speedway
You can't even see it. It's covered in
What you gonna do? I got your girl.
Oh no.
news.
It's a little dark. Wow.
Basically, that's
We
what
made
done.
it.
Oh, I can't feel my butt.
So we left at like what, 9? And it's 7.
Waited for the camera guy for an hour.
15.
Waited for the camera guy for an hour. Really? 22 hours of traveling.
2 hours and 2 hours ahead
Oh yeah, it's true.
for 20 hours.
So 20 hours in.
20 hours.
Stops.
What, 5 stops for gas?
I think the old man needs a diaper change.
They were in there. Oh. Oh. All right.
That's what you do when you
how
forget
it
to fill up the windshield wiper fluid.
Yo, this place is massive.
You're on mommy's tummy. Get off of me.
Yeah.
Ah!
Get him. Get him.
Find him in balls. He don't need them. He ain't got no balls. He got
That's
right.
Get
He's a
him,
soft
Ivy.
mouth.
Get him, Ivy. Get him, get him,
Sit
get
here.
him, get him, get him.
Come on, Caroline.
Yeah. You tell him, Ivy. Violate him.
Hey, Xavier. Hey, Xavier. Did I say that right?
He would have jumped on the dashboard. Fuel fest. You gonna blow the stop sign? Thank
Have a
you.
good day. Thank you.
She's like, you look like you belong here.
It's tradition.
Dude, she's going coming in hot.
Where Nate's at. Nate. How you doing, buddy?
He's already got it.
Just want to go out.
Texas Motor Speedway, we made it. Ivy. Hey.
Hey, tell me when this thing's level.
Bro. I'm glad you put your shoes on.
Well, I'm washing everything else, so there's that. Everything's fine. Everything's fine.